Hi, this is David Kavanaugh looking on the FZR1000 carburetors again, and I was going to do a quick video to show removal of the plugs for the mixture screws. Basically, there was a really small hole in them to start with, and so I slowly enlarged that with one drill bit, and then I'm going for a slightly larger drill bit. And it's really important to only drill through the plug. Here's the side of the plug that was the outside previously. That's what the inside looks like, and you see inside there's a few shavings, but basically we have a nice slotted brass screw there. Really important not to damage that. So I drilled a hole into here that was big enough to get a screw stuck in, and then using vice grips I was able to twist that in the direction that would tighten the screw, and it starts squeaking because it's turning, and then it'll eventually pop out. So here's this plug out now, and you can see it just buried itself into the plug just enough, and took a bite in there so it could twist it. Once it starts twisting it, you can also start pulling it. It'll come right out. So on to the next ones. This will be important when we go to set things up again. You need to start with turning it fully in until it stops. Of course, not too much force, but and then back it out 2.5 turns is supposed to be the default setting. And so from there you can see how the bike runs. Of course, there's a lot of other things to setting up carbs with wet setting and whatnot, but that's a start. Alright, onward. I've got a few more things to strip out here, and anyway,